Welcome to Betty's Cooking Channel. My name is Bettye Burnett. This morning I'm going to be making some Belgian waffles. Here are the ingredients. Flour is here, baking soda here, baking powder there, sugar, egg, sea salt, butter, milk. Let's get started. I'm going to mix all of the dry ingredients together and then the wet ingredients. The sugar, baking powder. The first one I added was baking soda, salt, sea salt, and the one egg. I'm going to mix it in with the milk here. Stir that together. Stir the milk and the egg together. I'm going to melt the butter in the microwave about 30 seconds. I have preheated my Belgian waffle machine. It's already heated up. My grandkids love watching my show on YouTube. So I hope you are watching this one because you can make this at home yourself. You don't have to worry about mommy making you breakfast. You can do this yourself. All you need is a waffle machine. So now you want to add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients here. In this bowl here, I'm gonna mix everything up. It doesn't take long to make waffles, so it's a quick breakfast item you can make for yourself, and it's easy. It's an easy recipe. I will have the detailed recipe posted on my website, which is www.bettyburnett.com. So let me just beat this up a little bit more. And I have my spoon that I'm gonna dip the batter into my waffle maker. Everything is pretty much well incorporated. It's about time for me to make the waffles. Here is my beautiful Belgian waffle. It's pretty hot. And some oil has formed on the top of the waffle maker, which I sprayed it earlier when I turned it on. So I'm just gonna spray it again with some oil so that the waffles won't stick. That is a beautiful waffle. 2 waffles. Didn't take very long at all. What I'm gonna do is time the next one, that way I can give you a time. But this waffle machine, it will let you know when it's ready. When the light turns from orange to green, it is ready. To get the detailed recipe, it will be on my website, which is www.bettyburnett.com. So this time I'm gonna time it and see how long it takes. You see my beautiful waffle machine. My sister Jessie gave me this waffle machine. I didn't have one, so I really appreciate her giving me this waffle machine. It works fine. I think her daughter bought her a new waffle maker, but this one is just great for me. These are my beautiful waffles. They came out beautiful. So I would think that with this batter, you could probably make 6 waffles using a waffle machine like this. And it only took really 4 minutes to make them in this waffle machine. If you like this video, like and subscribe. Share this video with your friends and family. Have a wonderful day.